फ्रेंड्स, आई वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन योर पीडिया जॉब अपडेट्स एंड प्रिपरेशन। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज का जो नोटिफिकेशन है दैट इज़ फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन विजयवाड़ा एंड दैट इज़ फॉर द डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट टू द पोस्ट ऑफ जूनियर असिस्टेंट कम कंप्यूटर असिस्टेंट in Andhra Pradesh Revenue Department. So that is Group 4 services. So junior assistant come computer assistant, these vacancies are out and these are total 670 number, and this is of the pay scale 16,400 to 49,870, and the age group eligible is 18 to 42 years as on 1st of July. Okay, and the junior assistant come computer assistant post is organized into district cadre. The selection for the post will be carried out by concerned district selection committee on furnishing the district ranking list of computer based exam by commission. Okay, and there will be two types of tests shall write, the screening as well as mains computer based test by choosing the district either on local or non-local basis. Okay, so and other than this you have to go to this link psc.ap.gov.in to apply, and the last date to apply is 19th of January. And 18 January till 11:59 hours is the last date to for payment. Okay, the applicant who desires to apply for the above post shall log in the commission website, and the commission conducts screening test in case applicant exceed 200 times the number of vacancies. Okay, in respect of screening test, the objective type exam will be held in offline mode, that is OMR sheet. Main exam will be objective type, and that is CBT computer based test, and the test paper will be in two languages, English and Telugu, in which they wants to write the exam, and the paper will be valued with reference to the that medium only. A general mock test facility will also be provided to the applicants. Applicant can visit the website and practice the answer pattern. The applicant is required to visit the commission's website regularly to keep herself updated until completion of recruitment process. All tickets for screening and main exam CBT will be hosted on commission's website, and you can see the number of vacancies according to the name of district: Srikakulam, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, Krishna Guntur, West Godavari, Kurnool, Chittoor, Prakasam. Okay, eligibility you can check, and education qualification you can check here. Okay, and must hold bachelor degree, technical qualification. One should pass computer proficiency test conducted by district collector. Okay, and others also you can read. Based on the merit in written exam, candidate will be shortlisted by district selection committee for admitting to computer proficiency test. So this is the reservation criteria you can check. Okay, and other than this, reservation to local candidates definition. Who is local candidate you can read here. Okay, and the candidates belonging to other states are not entitled for local reservations. Age is maximum 42, minimum 18 years. Age relaxation: SC, ST, BC, EWS 5 years, physically handicapped 10 years. How to apply? So you can check this method, same method as you do for other exams. Okay, fees is rupees 250, okay, and rupees 280, so that is exam fees. Mode of payment of fees, so that is this through online. Scheme of exam already told: screening, then screening or pre, then your main. Okay, and then other than this, centers of screening and main exam will be provided on their website in the due time, and procedure of selection, so already told to you. Okay, and other instructions are hereby only, so you can check for open and local. You can check the number of vacancies, and this is the syllabus. General studies, mental ability 100 questions, 100 minutes, 100 marks. General English and general Telugu 50 questions, 50 marks. Then main exam, general study, mental ability 150, general English and general Telugu 150. Okay, negative marks will be there 1/3. So medium of paper, English, Telugu, computer proficiency test will be held for eligible candidates in the ratio 1:2. Okay, and then syllabus for the screen test is this, and this is general English and Telugu syllabus for mains exam, general English and Telugu. Okay, so you can check the syllabus and scheme of exam here. Okay, so I think must be clear with this. So this is the notification from our side for the day. Okay, and we are attaching this notification in the description of this video. Friends, if you like this video, so please like it and share it more and more with your friends, and do subscribe your PDF job updates and preparation for more job notifications. Thank you very much.